Oof. Most traders watch many trading strategy video. They learn about support and resistance. They learn about demand and supply. They learn about candlestick pattern. They learn about indicators. But the problem is this: traders usually learn this concept separately, and they never understand how to combine everything into one complete trading system. And the truth is, there is almost no indicator that brings all these concepts together in one place. Most indicator only shows signals or lines, but they do not help you understand the full market structure. But the emperor candle is different. It combines market structure, demand and supply zones, support and resistance, candle strength, multi-time frame trend analysis, entry guidance, stop loss logic, all inside one single system. This is what makes emperor candle unique and helps make trading much simple and more structure. So in this video, I will show you the complete emperor candle trading strategy step by step. From identifying the trend to find the zone to confirming the entry to placing stop loss and target. By the end of this video, you will understand how the entire emperor candle system works together. Hello everyone, I am Mahesh and you are watching Live Trading Emperor Global. In the previous part of this series, we have already learned how to apply the emperor candle indicator, all the indicator settings, the meaning of different candle colors, demand and supply zone, how to take entries near zones, and when you should avoid trading. So now you already understand the individual concept. But today we are going to combine everything and learn the complete emperor candle trading strategy. Before we start, I want to tell you something interesting. Inside the emperor candle indicator, there is also a very advanced setup. This setups allows to trader to take trades with very small stop loss and very large targets. It is a technique that you will probably not find in any other indicator and not anywhere on YouTube. It is one of the most advanced setup inside the emperor candle system. When this channel reaches 1000 subscriber, I will create a special video explaining that advanced setup in detail. So if you want to learn that strategy, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's move to the complete trading workflow. Step 1, identifying the trend using the trend table. The first step in the emperor candle strategy is identifying the market trend. For this, we use the trend table, which is you will see at the right top corner of the chart. Now, as you can see, there is a from time frame from 30 seconds to whole day, like 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and so in hours and whole day of today. So, but the most important thing is to focus on higher time frame. For example, if the 1 hour and 2 hour trend are bullish, it means buyer are stronger in the market. So on smaller time frame, you should mostly look for buying opportunities. Similarly, if 1 hour or 2 hour are bearish, then sellers are dominating the market and you should focus on more selling opportunities. This helps you align your trade with overall market momentum. Second, find higher time frame zones. Means like shift to 1 hour with emperor candle system and find the 1 hour setup zones. So as you can see, below there is a very strong demand zone and here is a strong supply zone. And most of the time frame is overall to neutral. So in 1 minute now, we are getting, we will see in 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes, we have got the trend of or entry for bullish market. So as here, we have got the confirmation also. Price has reached to the zone also, and it gave confirmation by this green candle when the candle got close above this line. So now Here you can enter for long trade. As you can see, the most of the market is toward neutral and small time frames are in bullish momentum. So you can enter here for long, and your stop loss can be this line if you are entering over here. And if you have entered over here for at this green candle, then your stop loss become below this zone or below this line or at this line. So remember this. Third, wait for price to reach the zone. Means don't ever trade like, means for here you have to get confirmation when this candle get closed above this line or above this line. So these are the confirmed candle and confirmation for entering the trade most of the time. So the correct approach is first identify the zone, then wait patiently for price to come to that zone. As I said, fourth, look for confirmation candles. Once price reaches the zone, the next step is confirmation. Never enter trade immediately when price touches the zone. Always wait for confirmation trade. For buying setup, confirmation candles can be hollow candle, green candle, or hammer candle. This candle indicates that buyer are trying to push the market upward. And for selling setups, red candle, black candle, and inverted hammer candle. Inverted hammer candle at the zone or near the zone or in the zone of supply zone. So this candle shows that seller are entering the market. Confirmation candle increase the probability of successful trade. Fifth, entry rules. There are generally three types of entries in the emperor candle strategy. First entry type, when a candle closes above the high line of demand zone, it can signal a potential buying opportunity. Second type, when a candle closes below the low line of supply zone, it can indicate a selling opportunity like this. And third entry type, when a confirmation candle appears inside the zone, it can also provide a valid entry setup like over here. Before closing, this was our resistance zone, but our candle was green. So you can enter here for buying and you can set the stop loss this line. If any candle get closed below this line, below this low line 70,547, then you can exit that trade. But if candle, now here you enter the trade and you have the target till the high line, as you can see over here, and now it is a confirmed zone also that it became a demand zone. So now over here also you can, if market come near or come downward to these prices now at such as a for first green candle, and if any candle appears as a hammer candle or again green candle, they can then you can enter the trade also again. Sixth, the stop loss rule. Stop loss placement in the emperor candle system is very simple. For buy trades, I will enable the settings. So for buy trade, place the stop loss below the demand zone. As you can see, the stop loss has appeared on the screen now. Stop loss is showing from both points, from high line also and from low line also. Similar for seller also. At seller zone, you are seeing the stop loss above the supply zone. 7. Next, target rule. If you buy from a demand zone, the next target can be the nearest supply zone or supply zone. And if you sell from a supply zone, the next target can be the nearest demand zone. This creates a very logical trading structure. Rule number 8, trailing stop loss rule. Now, if you have entered over here, your stop loss became below this line, but trade eventually went to your side. Now, your trailing stop loss goes above high, or you can set the stop loss at your buying price. So trailing stop loss can be used based on new candles or new zones or small pullbacks. This helps you to lock the profit while still allowing the trade to continue. So, final summary. The complete emperor candle trading strategy works like this: identifying the trend using the trend table, find the higher time frame zones, wait for price to reach the zone, look for confirmation candle, take the entry, place the stop loss, set the target using zone to zone trading, and manage the trade using trailing stop loss. The emperor candle indicator is not just another indicator, it is a complete trading framework. It combines market structure, zones, candle behavior, and multi time frame analysis, all inside one powerful system. And that is why it makes trading simple, clearer, and more structured. And remember, when this channel reaches to 1000 subscriber, sorry, not this only, when both channel reaches to 1000 subscriber, I will reveal the most advanced setup of the emperor candle indicator, a strategy where the stop loss become very small and the potential reward become much larger. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn that advanced technique. So until the next video, bye bye, take care, trade safe, trade smart.